Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. In today's tutorial, we'll be covering how to create and format lists in Microsoft Word. Lists are a great way to organize information and make your document more readable. Let's get started. Let's open up a blank document. Then, let's create a simple bulleted list. Place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Bullets button in the paragraph group. Type your first list item and press Enter to add the next bullet point. Continue typing your list item pressing Enter after each one. To customize your bullet, click the small arrow next to the Bullets button. This opens a menu where you can select different bullet styles or define your own. Now let's create a numbered list. Place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Go to the Home tab and click on the numbering button in the paragraph group. Type your list item just as you did with the bulleted list, pressing Enter after each one to add the next number. To customize the numbering style, click the small arrow next to the numbering button. You can choose different numbering formats or define a new number format. Next, let's create a multi-level list. This is useful for outlines or hierarchies. Place your cursor where you want the list to begin, go to the Home tab and click on the multi-level list button. Type your first item, then press Enter to add the next item. To create a sublevel, press Tab. To move back to a higher level, press Shift plus Tab. You can customize your multi-level list by clicking the small arrow next to the multi-level list button and selecting Define New Multi-Level List. This allows you to choose different numbering format for each level. Now let's look at some additional formatting options. You can change the font, size, and color of your list items just like any other text. Select your list, then use the options in the font group on the Home tab. Finally, you can adjust the spacing and alignment of your list item using the options in Paragraph group in the Home tab. This includes changing the indentation, line spacing, and alignment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and formatting lists in Microsoft Word. Lists are a powerful way to organize information, and with this tip, you can make your list clear and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy listening.